In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over with a couple of these slow moving vehicle safety signs. And what you would do with one of these, you would put them on, say I have like a little trailer right here and I'm going to be pulling a lot of weight behind it, so I will be moving slow, or a vehicle that might be moving very slow, say like a horse and buggy, or maybe like a slow moving parade or something like that. You want to have one of these safety signs on there, if not two. This is a 2-pack, and I just want to show y'all exactly what these look like. Here's how I got them in. They feel very premium feeling. I'm going to take them out. They come in this little plastic wrapper here. They have a reflective center and this reflective tape, so it has a caution logo on it, and it's a plastic type feeling. This is like a very strong plastic type, and it has 2 spots right here for screws. So if you wanted to screw it down to a vehicle, you can screw it down there. What I'm going to do, I'm going to mount it right here on this trailer. So let me go ahead and mount it right here on this trailer, and I'm going to put it like this because I'm going to be pulling a lot of weight with this thing, and I won't be going very fast, and I want to have this on there. Obviously I wouldn't have them on there all the time if I'm doing a high speed, so you don't need them, but on this case I'm going to use them. So let's install these now. Let's see what they look like installed. There it is, everybody. I just installed it. I didn't want to install it up high. I realized that I wanted to be a little lower, and I used one of the pre-drilled holes that was in this sign, and I just ran straight into my board there. It's not going anywhere because I'm not going to be moving super fast anyway. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and install the other one, and I'll be good to go. So yeah, there you go, everybody. That's all I got today on the slow moving safety signs. See you guys in the next video. Woo!